There we go! Do you think that we see geometry in our lives? Yes? No? Let's see.
Let's see what happens in the playground. We can find a triangle, a rhombus, and a circle. Now we are in the kitchen. What can you see there? A circle, a rectangle, and a direct line. Finally, what can we see in the gym classroom? A cylinder and a cone. To understand what geometry is about, first of all, we are going to learn what kind of lines there are. There are three types of lines. The first, as we see in the kitchen photo, we have direct lines. The second type is curved lines. And the third, mixed lines, that it is a combination between direct and curves. Referring to the direct lines, you have to know that if we combine more than two, we create polygons. There are different types of polygons. For example, with 3 direct lines, we do a triangle. With 4, we create a rectangle. And now, if we mix 5 direct lines, we can do a pentagon. And we can continue with more and more and more lines. Those polygons are in 2D because they don't have volume. When we have understood what a polygon is, you have to know that if we add volume to our polygons, we create a 3D polyhedron. In this case, as a polygon, we have a rectangle. As you can see, if we add volume to it, we create a cube. Do you remember an Egyptian pyramid? This is another example of a polyhedron. As you can see, it is a 3D geometric form. After knowing what a polyhedron is, now you have to understand what sides, edges, and faces are. For that, we will use a 3D polyhedron, in this case a cube. This is a face. A cube has 6 faces. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, what happens with the sides? This is a side, and its work is to join the faces between them. Let's see how it works. This side joins this and this face. A cube has 12 sides. Those are the sides. Finally, we have the edges. This is the edge of a cube. A cube has 8 edges, 4 on the top of the cube and the other 4 on the bottom of the cube.
Referring to the polyhedrons, there are another 3D geometric forms. These ones are special because some of their body parts are sphericals. We can find some different examples. A cylinder, a sphere, and finally a cone.